So this is unboxing our E7 electric compression sprayer. When you first open the box, you'll see our manual, which will tell you all the information that you need, the shoulder strap, the USB charging cable, the stop valve, the cone nozzle, the hose, the lance, and finally the full tank of the sprayer. Now to assemble the sprayer, first of all you're going to need to charge it. With one full charge you get about 10 tanks worth of pressure, so you'll only need to charge once every 10 uses. You can then attach the shoulder strap for more ease of use. Then you want to connect the hose. Simply screw on at the base of the tank. Just twist on the threaded collar. Then attach the other end of your hose to your stop valve. Just push in and twist on the threaded collar again. Next, you connect the stop valve to your lance. Just push on and twist. And finally, at the other end of your lance, you connect your nozzle. Push on and just twist into place. So that is how to assemble the E7 electric compression sprayer. If you have any more questions, you can contact us on our Best Sprayers website.